The dancer wasn't a part of the program, and me go bringing back the dancer, so it caused a.
And the problem was that you brought in that dancer? Were you told not to bring in that specific dancer?
That's the thing. I asked permission to bring in a dancer. I got the permission, but the dancer do something I'm not supposed to do.
Mm. And now you're being blamed for it.
And that I can't understand. I got permission to bring in a dancer, but the dancer do something wrong and then me I get the blame.
Were you brought up into a meeting for this?
Yeah, and now I'm being told I'm being insubordinate.
Insubordinates. That's a weird word to use in a situation like this.
And me I say that, that's not the word what them use, but I'm being chastised for it.
So, the things I gave you to read, do you still read them?
Yeah, every now and then.
And you're still practicing your intonations? You know, the highs and lows?
Not all the time.
You have to understand what tones to use when speaking to a superior or a colleague. You know, as they say, a soft voice turneth away wrath. You know this.
Yeah, but I not really always do it. This is Vanessa. May I come from a place where people have me as a earhead. Now I have a voice. I know that I start study, start read more, I develop myself. And now that I have the voice, still I get bashed.
Are you sure you're being bashed? I mean, you have to know the difference between being spoken to and someone being malicious.
I not say them are being malicious. It's just that I don't want to feel like them a take on my voice or I don't have any opinion for anything.
Well, it's clear that you have things that you need to get off your chest. I get that. But you're kind of confusing me. I mean, it's someone correcting you when you're wrong is completely different from someone trying to take your voice away.
I guess I just me and not wanting to be the silent one in the corner.
That is why it's important for you to know how to use your voice, Toniann. I mean, ultimately, if you brought someone in and they messed up, you are responsible, whether they mess up or not.
Yeah. If the person do good, it's on me. If the person do bad, it's on me. But just do that hope say nothing no go wrong.
I'm listening to you, and it sounds like there is more to this. I mean, are you always getting in these kind of situations with the company? Because if you are, then my friend, I would suggest that you do some introspection. Actually, I am interested in knowing what makes up this company, how it is organized. Is Chris a part of this?